Yeah, I'm currently up at like 3 something in the morning. Up at, you feel me? But I'm really up at that time of morning, me and my girl. You feel me? I'm just gonna goddamn put that bitch in there, you feel me? I'm finna get blizzard though. I would. I said I was gonna smoke half of that bit, but I might smoke the whole thing. Cause
2,000 years later.
Stop, I'm trying to go
I'm trying to.
Stop, so I can get
I'm trying to
done.
put some that hair out your head, baby. Yeah, I'm finna hit you out. I see that it still had a little wetness in it. I don't mind getting my hand wet.
Baby, don't hurt my head.
I'm squeezing tight or something. Come. Stay tight.
Stop.
Yeah. I'm trying to get you squeeze it down. Let me see that water get it down.
Baby, stop.
Oh, I'm trying to get it in there, baby. Hold on. Last time.
Baby, don't hurt my head.
My bad. There you go.
Oh!
There you go. There you go, baby. Yeah, man, they even got another joint. I was trying to catch you before you quit the water. I was trying to get that
No.
soap out of your head. I was trying to catch you.
So you.
You cut out too quick. You too quick. You too quick for it. You too quick for it. You don't get that damn bait. You want to grab them?
Yeah.
She was mad as fuck. Like, she was pissed. Right now, y'all she in the bathroom, blow drying her hair. Y'all, I agree with y'all when she done. I'm finna roll up. Yeah, I'm cooking pork chops. You feel me? We cooking baked beans, peas, mac and cheese, different bread. Yes, at 6 something in the morning. Yes, we cooking. Yes. Yes, at 6 something in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Everybody slap with their food. You know what I'm saying? To have for lunch. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going in bitch, you know what I'm saying? Smoke the living room out. You know what I'm saying? I'm just playing, bro. smoke a little pee, you know what I'm saying? Then start cooking, then, you know, finna them all when I'm ready to get done cooking, you feel me? I agree with y'all what we done, no cap. Ooh, baby. Yeah, we did have a lot of crumbs on the bed. Thank you, man, for my, I'm saying mopping, but cleaning out the bed, you know what I'm saying? Look at you, y'all. Yeah, finna get high as fuck. I got baby make up the bed. Yo, yeah, got my own friend, yeah. Got the flares on.
Yay! Yay!
You trying? I ain't trying to get a little. Yo, you got a big ass bed. Stop playing.
It look good, but I cut my hair. Look.
Yeah, look good. But we got had down there, y'all, at 9 a.m. in the morning, so we just staying up. You feel me? So, look. Literally daylight outside. Stop playing. In the morning. Without the flag on, y'all this in the morning, you feel me? I'm just about to leave this open. Let me turn this up a little bit, yeah, like that. I'm about to sit in the chair probably. Then watch TV, get a blizzard. What's up, y'all? Y'all woke up on one, y'all, and I'm back with another video, man. Cooking video, man. Listen, it's like about 8 something in the morning. I'm just lying. It's about 7 something in the morning. And we just cooking lunch, you know what I'm saying, for today. And today's Saturday. Made of, I don't know, but what? Yeah, I don't know, but today, y'all, I'm cooking today. You know what I'm saying? I'm making macaroni and cheese. I'm making different bread. I'm making a pork chop. And we got baked beans, and we got green beans, and we got ground beef soaking right now in the water. Then more should be done when I get done with the clip, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say too much, talk too much, man. Yeah, but I'm just gonna show y'all, man, me dipping the pork chop inside the flour. Where I got the seasoning there too with the flour. I had to shut the bag up. I'm putting the pork chop on the meat thing that it came on, but I had washed it clean and all that, y'all. So you feel me? So, but that's what I'm gonna put the meat on when I get done putting it in the season. I'm not gonna have the meat in the bag with the season. I'm just gonna do it, shake it up. You know what I'm saying? Season real good. Lay it out there. Then I'm gonna get everything started when I get the ground beef ready to roll it when them gonna thaw. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Okay, we got the flour. Let me get y'all right. There you go. We got the flour with all the seasoning there. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna shake it up, but I'm just gonna do it like this, y'all. I'm just gonna flip it and roll it. You feel me? Flip it and roll it. I'm just gonna do it in there real good. But you get that thing, you get in there? Okay. But I ain't gonna put too much on there, like I said. I'm just rolling it real good. Now I'm just gonna put it on the tray, show on the tray. I'm gonna put it on the tray, y'all. Boom. It real clean, dried off and all that. So, man, along with it. I'm just seasoning the meat. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get done with this, y'all. You feel me? I ain't gonna show y'all all this stuff. You feel me? Okay. I got it. All right. Y'all see it. You know, y'all see it. Got things going on.
Dad, like, I add a little something on, y'all. It be scrap on. So, I put in there every time anybody eat there. So, no shit good. I have to put too much, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all know. I think they done, y'all, you feel me? I got the peas, y'all already see it. This is hot. You know what I'm saying? I told you stop playing with me. I can do that. I'm real like that. You get what I'm saying? You get me? I like that. You know what I'm saying? I like that. Stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't forget I got the macaroni cheese. I'm finna get Blizzard real quick. And then smash it, motherfucker. You heard no cap. Yo, stop playing with me. I did this shit for real like that. I'm like that, you feel me? I'm like that in the kitchen shit, you feel me? I always want to be a chef, but I'm like that in the kitchen shit. You heard me? No cap. I'm always like that in the kitchen shit. Then I'm gonna get Blizzard right now. You heard me? Gonna get Blizzard right now. I'm just gonna order my. I'm finna put that rock on that shit. Put that wok on that shit. You heard me? Let that bitch dry. I'm finna edit the video while I let that shit dry. And by the time I get done editing the video for TikTok and for YouTube, delicioso. That shit be smacking when I get done on God. So I'm about to just do that. I'm about to just smoke and just edit while I do that. And then y'all get done, shit, you feel me? Just show y'all. I ain't say I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath to get down, but you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But if not though, like I said, I might just hold on to the YouTube video and then I'll post a clip of me eating it. Well, I ain't post a clip of me eating it, but like I said, man, yeah, this ain't video, man, like I said, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You feel me? Yo, I'm pretty good, y'all, when I get on, you feel me? And I'm gonna forget, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, all that shit on game, man, you feel me? Share, friend, on game, you feel me? We out.